Hi, let's see this week's portfolio worth. This week portfolio it increased to 2691 and the increase is 0.34 percentage. Market gain is 9.05. Earned dividends is 0. Let's go to the activity tab. Monday we deposited $24. We bought JP because JP now decreased from the $10 dividend. Last month they declared dividend less dividend like 0.36. So that's why we are now investing all the money to JP again. So $24 to JP. Then we received a dividend from JP it's of 9.14. So our target was $10. And that was again reinvested to JP like a drip. And the regular $11 deposit for Thursday that happened to JP. If you go to this one, so we are financially independent on car wash, Costco membership, Netflix. Yeah, considering JP, our calculation was it will give $10. So car wash also we made it as financial independent. So whatever we invest, now we'll move to car wash. JP, let's see the number of shares. Number of shares is 25.8. So with the current calculation, something around $28, 28 shares should be enough to give us $10. Average share price is 54.57 and the current JP market price is 54.44. So we are under, so it's good to invest on JP. Other than that, there is no change in any of the metrics. One good thing is like Netflix subscription. So here TSLY they declared a dividend that is like a double. So we calculated with 0.44, but now they declared it as zero point 0.8 for this month. So we'll get a huge dividend. Our target was $15. I guess we'll get more than $20 as dividend. So we can include that one as a substitute, like the remaining to JP car wash. So we'll keep that financially independent status again for car wash. Let's go to the Excel. Going through this Excel sheet, the monthly dividend now it dropped from $32 to 31.52. Annual dividend is now $378. We started this portfolio on December 1, 2022. And if you see JP, the number of shares increased from 25.0 to 25.83. Total cost also increased 1382, and the current yield on cost on the entire portfolio it's around 14.94. So that's good. Like our aim is more than 5%. Let's go to the financial independent date calculation. It's our monthly dividend right now is 31.52. Let's calculate the financial independent. So as of today, the target is 5220 for our retirement monthly dividend target. And as per the calculation, I'd be achieving financial independence on 2278 December 15th. At that time, my age would be 294 and I'd be receiving around 11 million, more than 11 million as monthly dividend. So it dropped a bit. Like it was previously it was 292, now age increased to 294. This week there was no milestones. So let's go and see the milestones achieved so far.